Alrighty, 18-19 Crown Royal Basketball 8-box break number 2. Coming up, we got Doug with the Hawks, Kevin D with the Celtics, Knicks, and Jazz. Noe with the Nets, Jason with the Cavs and Blazers, Douglas with the Bulls and Timberwolves. Michael Morse, the Hornets, Hines with the Mavericks, Henry with the Nuggets, Heat, and Pistons, Mike K with the Warriors and Spurs, Ben with the Clippers, Clinton with the Pacers and the Bucks, Scott with the Rockets, Matt with the Lakers, Daniel with the Grizzlies, Joe with the Pelicans, Andrew with the 76ers, Michael with the Magic, Steven with the Thunder, Patrick with the Suns, Chris G with the Kings, Sergio with the Raptors and Wizards. Let's get this plastic ripped so we'll be ready to go here in just a minute. Man, the weekends bring out the crazies on eBay. Ooh, I left the plastic on the bottom. Alright guys, boxes are cleared of their wrapping. We went over the teams. It is 10:45 Central. It is time to do the break. Appreciate you guys filling it up. And good luck. This is the second half of the case we started last night, which was not very good. So hopefully this half will be much better. Green, Whiteside, Young, Trent, Hayward, Ingram, Ingles, Okaji to 99. Rookie royalty, Grayson Allen to 99 for the Jazz. To 199 for the Grizzlies, Javon Carter. We had a couple of him last night, I believe, or at some point in the last few days. Where are the Jacksons at? We've had enough of the Carters. Wesley Matthews, not numbered for Dallas. And autograph for the Bulls, Bill Cartwright. 62 of 99. Two autos in that first box. Smith, Carroll, Millsap, Hardaway Jr., Holiday, Lou Williams, Paul George, red. What is red? Red to 49, Hayward. Gordon Hayward. And how about a kaboom, Lonzo Ball? Lonzo Ball, kaboom. Nice pickup for the Lakers. Autograph to 149, Jacob Evans for the Warriors. Not numbered for the Bucks, DiVincenzo. Autograph 42 of 60 for the Pacers, Thaddeus Young. Brooks, Porzingis, Miles Bridges, Grayson Allen, Bill, Vince Carter, Willie Cauley-Stein, and Buddy Hield to 49 for the Kings. Panini Choice Awards, Kyle Kuzma to 99. Seven of 49 autograph for the Pacers, Jalen Rose. Nice auto. Not numbered for Portland, Anthony Simmons. And autograph 30 of 60. Dragan Bender for the Suns. Walker, Green, Leonard, Tatum, Bazemore, Bradley, Jaylen Brown, and Gortat to 99 for the Clippers. Panini Choice Awards to 49, Jokic for the Nuggets. Autograph for the Hawks, 10 of 49, John Collins. Not numbered for the Clippers, Jerome Robinson. The next Crown Royal after tonight will be to 199 for the Lakers. I think the next one is Monday. I believe it's either Monday or Wednesday. I have 8 boxes left. I have one more half case, and that will be it for Crown Royal. Unless we decide to get more. I haven't decided yet, but we do have one more of these, and it's either Monday or Wednesday. I'm thinking it's Monday. I could be wrong. It all kind of runs together sometimes. Bates, Diop, yeah, Frank, Murray, Ayton, Bogdanovich, Randolph, Gobert, Enes Kanter to 99. Panini Choice Awards, Lonzo Ball to 75. Yeah, whatever day it is, I'll post it on the group page up front. And then how you get teams is you go to eBay and you just bid on whatever teams you want. Sometimes we do the breaks just on the group page, but if I do those, you'll see them posted on the group page and you can get a spot that way also. Grayson Allen to 99 for the Jazz. Gordon Hayward, not numbered for the Celtics. And autograph to 99 for the Nuggets, David Thompson. Three boxes left, guys. I don't know, the reason we do eBay mainly is to bring new members in. I freaking hate messing with eBay. But it just brings new people in from time to time. Just opens you up to a lot more people. But pretty much a lot of you guys have come from word of mouth, people inviting you in. Zach Randolph to 49, but a lot of you guys have made your way here through first buying from us on eBay. Panini Choice Awards, Kyle Kuzma, 75. And then we just hope that once you get in here from eBay, Lonnie Walker for the Spurs to 199, that you realize that we are a good place to break and you hang out and stay active in the group. Colin Sexton for the Cavs, not numbered. Purple, Javon Carter for the Grizzlies, 12 of 25. Choice Awards for the Magic to 99, Aaron Gordon. For the Wizards, Troy Brown Jr. to 99. And not numbered for the Pistons, Isaiah Thomas. One more box. See what it brings. We will do an autograph recap right after this. Anthony Davis, Mike Conley, Rudy Gay, Cantor, Mitchell, Trae Young, Evan Fournier, Luke Kennard, and Tyreek Evans to 99. Choice Awards for the Sixers, 25 of 25, Jimmy Butler. Autograph to 149 for the Suns, Mikal Bridges. And Chris Webber, not numbered for the Kings. That's going to wrap this one up. Let's recap those autos one time real quick. Javon Carter, Mikal Bridges, Troy Brown Jr., Lonnie Walker, David Thompson, Grayson Allen, John Collins, Bender, Jalen Rose, Thaddeus Young, Jacob Evans, and Bill Cartwright. That's going to do it, guys. Once again, thanks for filling that one up, and I will see you guys tomorrow at some point. I got a card show during the morning hours, but tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, we'll get something going. We do have Bowman on eBay tomorrow night and another football jersey. I'll see you guys then.